A very exciting package just came in the mail today. I am so excited. Look how chonkers this is, very substantial. What I ordered was 300 of these beautiful butterfly beads. I found these a long time ago on Temu, but you don't get very many for the price. And I was kind of sad because I really, really love using these, but I was so stingy with them, y'all, because they were just so pretty. And I didn't have that many, but I stumbled across a deal for an awesome, awesome price. I got like 3 colors of these butterflies, y'all. I got 100 of them. 100 each. I couldn't get all 6 colors. These are all the colors that they come in. 1, 2, 3. I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm sorry, 5. I can't count. They come in 5 colors. I couldn't afford to get 100 of each color, but I think I got 300 of these 3 colors. I had to narrow it down because these two are pretty much the same for the most part. So I got one of these. I don't even remember which one I got. It was one of these 2 because they're pretty similar. So I narrowed it down to one of those, and then I kind of nixed. These are really, really pretty too, but when I had to eliminate 2 of them, I ended up eliminating these purpley gray ones. They are pretty, but I mean, I just feel like, you know, these 3 pop a lot more, and I feel like they'll be more appreciated. So I got 100 of these, 100 of these, and then 100 of these. Super excited. Let's get them opened up and make sure that everything's all Gucci. Where to puncture. Like a little divot right here. Ooh, I think I feel this. Yeah, it's like they're like right there on the edge. It's so packed. I want to be very careful. I think the knife had actually stabbed that one. They're so densely packed in here. I hope none are damaged. They didn't really, there's like no padding. It's just straight beads. Let me get this open and I'll be right back. Oh my goodness. No padding whatsoever. Ow. They said, F your butterflies. Oh wow, look at that. Like opening up a beautiful cocoon. Look at all the butterflies. So it looks like I went with, of the 2, looks like I went with this one. It was a hard choice. I mean, if you look at the 2, it was a really hard choice, but for whatever reason, I decided on this one. I guess it goes with the other ones more. So it looks like I settled on that one. Oh goodness, birthing the butterflies. Oh wow, just look at that. I am so happy, y'all. Look at all these butterflies. Oh my God. There's so many. I love these beads so much, and I was so sad that I didn't have more of them. That one looks like it got scraped. What's going on with that one? That's one damaged one. I'll have to set these aside to make sure, you know, they're all up to snuff. Hopefully that's the only defect, I hope. I don't know what happened with that one. So I guess it would be fun if it was the underside of a bracelet. That'll just be the back or something. Or earrings, you know, you won't be able to tell. But I'll have to look at these as I go. Here's the green. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. And then here is the pink. I am so happy. Oh my God, look how many I get. I can like use however many I want now. I can use these without abandon. It really, really sucked having to be stingy and really pick and choose what I use them on. But now I have the power, y'all. I have the power. So many. I'm gonna make earrings, I'm gonna make keychains. Can't freaking wait. I have so many of these. Oh my goodness. Let's open up one of these and just look at the bounty. Oh, this one's, see which one is this one? Which one was kind of already open? I got some plastic baggies for them. Look at all that beautifulness. Oh my gosh. I guess this size would actually fit them all, maybe. I wasn't sure what size plastic baggie to get out. This should fit them all, right? Maybe. But yeah. Let's get these transferred. See if they all fit. So many. Where's that damaged one? I should have set it aside. I'll probably just find the damaged ones as I use them. They don't look like they are. They all look pretty good. Oh my gosh, how satisfying is that? So satisfying. Oh my gosh. That is it, y'all. I just want to show you really quickly all my little butterflies. You'll see them very, very soon in future creations. I'm so excited to have all of these. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.